Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and today is Monday and it's hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, a new open collab that is being hosted by Cathy's Creative Crafts and More and Tree Craft On. And they are encouraging us to get out those die cuts that we have not used or have not used in a while, maybe have not ever used, or maybe it's a die cut that we love all the time and we always use it, and just do some die cutting. And after you're done doing your die cutting, you can create something that you'd like to put together, and you can have a giveaway if you want to or not. So I will put the link to Tree's announcement video for this open weekly collab in the description box below, and she'll tell you more about the giveaway that she's doing, and you can hear her talk more about the invitation. So guys, today I'm going to share with you what I die cut, and let me just say that I'm so excited for this collab. So this is so funny that last night, Sunday night, I was in my craft room. I couldn't concentrate because I just had this container of this bag just full of, random like cut aparts, like little, little pieces like this, little random squares and things, and just, a whole bunch of my scrap paper box was filling up. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to do some things with these. And so I just started cutting and layering paper, just like that. These aren't a card. These are just backed up on paper. This one is a little card, but it's blank. I didn't put anything on it. And then you can see I just have some of these little cut aparts, and I just left them all plain. I didn't put anything on them, like this one. You can see I didn't put anything on them. So I just thought, and there's a whole bunch, right here. And then I just started, because, I love 3x3 cards, as many of us do. And so I just started grabbing other scrap paper, and then I just started, putting together some 3x3 cards that are not embellished or anything, just layered up and put on a cut apart. So I thought, oh, I can embellish them later. I'm not really sure what I want to do. So I had all those, and then this morning I click on Tree's video, and she's talking about die cutting, and I thought that's perfect because one, I definitely have die cuts that I want to use, just like this one. They hadn't even opened. So I received this in a D-stash from Carla when I bought her last D-stash, Sassy Crafter Carlita. And this was still in the plastic. I hadn't even opened this yet, but I liked it because look at that cute little banner, the flower pot, the kite, star, celebrate. And so, but I just hadn't had a minute to take it out. Sizzix Thinlits 663189. And these are minis. Oh my gosh, they're so mini and cute. That's the only one I didn't cut out was the flower pot, but you can see that I cut out the other ones. Look at these little kites and the little flowers right here. Look at this cute little banner. That's so cute. I cut these out in white initially because I thought, I have markers, crayons and paint, and I can always, color those. I thought those would be fun. Look at how cute these little celebrate. That's part of that Sizzix die set. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it says celebrate. So I cut out some of those, and these stars are so pretty. They're all so mini and so cute. And then this tag and this heart, they're not part of that Sizzix set, but I just thought, oh, I'm going to cut some of those out. I like those. So I cut out some tags. So all these fun little die cuts, guys. Look at how fun they are. Oh my gosh. And I cut out a whole bunch of them so that I can use them to embellish some of these little mini things that I made last night. And some of the 3x3 cards, I can embellish some of those as well. And also, another fun idea for gifting some of these die cuts is just to make, I had made a couple of these last night. These are just made out of 6x6 piece of paper, right? Just folded at the 2-inch line, scored at the 3-inch line, and then just glue the two sides down, and then you can just throw in some cut aparts, or you can throw in some die cuts. And so that's what I did last night, was just put in some of those. So many uses for our die cuts. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little 3x3 card for both Cathy and Tree, and I'm going to send them along to them with some of these fun die cuts. So Cathy and Tree, I don't know if you have this little Sizzix die cut, but anyway, you're going to be getting some of these that you can use in your own crafting. So I'm looking forward to this open collab. Every Monday, guys, you can participate, you can hop in, hop out, and just die cut to your heart's content. So it's going to be fun. So thank you, Tree, and thank you, Cathy, for hosting, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.